Welcome to the Solder Connection. This instructional video will show you how to carry out a firmware update on the very latest Metcal soldering system, the Connection Validation CV-5210. You'll need to purchase a double-ended USB cable for this operation. It's not included in the box. We would suggest Amazon or other larger retailers. Your first step is to go to the Solder Connection website, solderconnection.com. In the top menu, select Resources, CV Software Update. When the page is loaded, scroll down to the Files table. We will be downloading two files for this update, AN1388 source code and CR5200R1 for the CV-5210. Click on AN1388 source code to start your download. Ensure you select Save. Next, click on CR5200R1. Again, ensure you press Save. If updating the CV510, download CR500R1. Locate the two files. These will be held in a zipped folder. To use, we must first unzip them. Start with AN1388 source code. To unzip, right-click and select Extract. Then you need to save them to your desktop. Next, double-click on the source code file to install. Follow the steps on the screen. Ensure you take a note of the save locations, as you will need this for later. Return to the download folder and unzip CR5200R1 file and save this to your desktop. Next step is to locate the source code we saved earlier and toggle through PIC32 bootloader and PC application folders until we can open the PIC32 application. When opened, the application looks like this. Our next step is to plug in the CV system with a double-ended cord. Connect to the USB ports on the PC and on the side of the CV system. Once connected, we need to verify the COM port it is linked to. Open the Device Manager in Windows and identify the ports drop-down. Check which port your device is linked to. Return to the application and amend the comms port drop-down. Check that the baud rate is 115/200. Then switch the CV system on while simultaneously holding down the screen until you hear clicking. Return to the application and select Connect. Next, click Load Hex File and find the CV hex file you saved to your desktop earlier. Once loaded, select Erase, Program, Verify. This will take a few minutes. Once complete, disconnect and unplug your CV system. Switch the system off and then on to verify the update. The software version will appear on the screen. Many thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and visit our website at www.solderconnection.com for more information on all our soldering product range.